The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Hi, today let's learn table tennis with Coach Sun Haohong. He is a professional table tennis coach in China, ex-coach of Lin Yunru.
Lesson 2. How to hold the racket. Shakehand grip. Translated by EmRatThich. Our first lesson starts with the grip. I believe all beginners face the first challenge of holding the racket. In this lesson, Coach Sun will teach you both shakehand and penhold grips. We will start with the shakehand grip. First, let's take the right hand as an example. Use the right shoulder of the racket as a reference point, along with the webbing of your thumb and index finger. Align this webbing with the racket shoulder. Gently place your hand on the racket. Do not grip too tightly. The key point here is not to hold it too firmly. Keep a relaxed grip. As long as your hand makes light contact with the racket, it's enough. Maintain a loose and natural hold. Stay relaxed. Now, look at the racket head. Your wrist and your forearm forming a straight line. This grip is a standard one. You can consider this as a basic reference. The shakehand grip requires fine adjustments. Next, Coach Sun will teach you a forehand-oriented grip using the middle finger as an example. Consider its first and second joints. For the forehand grip, align the second joint of the middle finger with the left racket shoulder. When positioned this way, you will notice that compared to the standard straight alignment, the wrist opens slightly. This adjustment optimizes the forehand angle. By using the left shoulder of the racket to position the second, naturally expand the hitting surface. This grip is more efficient. Next, let's move on to the backhand grip. Similarly, we use the middle finger. Again, align with the left racket shoulder. Hold it lightly. This time, use the first joint of the middle finger to align with the left racket shoulder. Compared to the standard straight line grip, this favors the backhand. The wrist naturally tilts inward. This adjustment enhances the backhand hitting area.
好，那么咱们的第一堂课从握拍开始讲起，因为我相信所有的初学者一开始会面临第一个问题就是握拍。那么孙教练会在这节课的一个过程中，上课的过程中教大家横拍的握拍，还有直拍的握拍。咱们首先从横拍的握拍开始讲起。第一点，咱们以右手为例，以你拍子的右边的拍尖为一个小标准。那么以你右手的虎口也为一个标准，这两个虎口对准拍尖，轻轻的贴合上去就行。这个时候有一个重点，大家要记住，不要用力的卡死，这个不要太用力，轻轻的感觉手部能够贴到拍子就行。然后咱们以一个轻握的状态，放松的姿态，这个时候你就会看见拍子、拍头、手腕、前臂形成一条直线。那么这个握拍是一个比较标准的一个握拍，你也可以把它视为一个标准的一个动作。那么横拍的握拍它其实是需要微调的。那么孙教练接下来教大家是一个偏正手的握拍。咱们以中指为例，中指的咱们按这个关节算第一关节，这个是第二关节。那么我们正手的握拍呢，以左边的拍尖为标准，用中指的第二关节对应的卡上去左边的拍尖。那么大家会发现它会相比原来的一条线呢，它的手腕会微微张开一点。那么正好正手的板面我们就可以通过这个左边的拍尖卡住第二关节去解决，能够正常的把板面的面积击球面积会扩大，会合理化一点。那么接下来是什么？偏反手的握拍，一样的以中指为标准，咱们还是用左边的拍尖，拿中指的第一关节对准左边的拍尖，那么轻轻的握上去，你就会发现 对比于一字形来说，一条直线来说，它会偏向于反手，它手腕自然而然的就往内扣。那么这个时候会提升一个你反手击球的一个面积。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.